Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to integrate Jira with Jenkins. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to Jira website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the left panel of your Jira interface and clicking on Apps. From there, select Explore More Apps, which is where you'll find the plugins and integrations available to extend Jira's capabilities. In the search bar, type Jenkins for Jira Official, the integration provided by Atlassian. Once it appears, click Get It Now to add it to your Jira environment. This integration acts as a bridge between Jira and Jenkins, ensuring information flows smoothly between the two systems. After installation is complete, return to your apps and open Jenkins for Jira. This activates the integration and begins the configuration process. Before moving forward, make sure you have an active Jenkins server running and click on Get Started button. Once everything is ready, click Continue when prompted. You'll be brought to a screen where you'll need to name your connection. And then click Next to continue. Here, you'll be asked to choose who is setting up the server. You can either select a Jenkins admin from your team, or choose yourself if you happen to be the administrator. Finally, you'll arrive at a detailed set of instructions that guide you through completing the connection. These steps may be a bit lengthy, but it's important to follow them carefully. Accurate configuration is key to ensuring the integration works flawlessly, and that's it. So that is how you can integrate Jira with Jenkins. So that's all for this video. Thanks.